You're welcome again to Success Science Tutorial, and I'm here to solve this jump question. 1991, question number 46 on half-life. So I start. It says 4 grams of reductive material of half-life, 10 days, is filled on laboratory floor. How long would it take to disintegrate 3.5 of the material? These are options. Now I solve. Solution. Now 4 grams is the initial amount from the question. So, and in half-life we normally use N naught to represent initial amount, and that should be 4 grams. Now the thing disintegrates 3.5 grams of material. So the amount that decayed is 3.5, and we normally use ND for amount that decayed, and that is 3.5 grams. Alright, now what I have to get now is the amount that remains after this disintegration, which means I have to do subtraction by saying, and I'm using N for that one, capital N. So amount remaining should be subtraction, which will be 4 grams minus 3.5 grams. That will give me 0.5 grams. Alright. Then fraction of the amount remaining is what I want to get now, so that it will help me to do the work. So the fraction of amount remaining is given by N over N naught equal to 1 over 2 power N, where N is number of half-life. So my target here is to get this more N, and I will use it and solve it using a particular equation under this particular topic. Now let's go. I want to substitute. Let me get my N first. So capital N, which is the amount remaining, is 0.5. Initial amount is 4 equal to 1 over 2 power N. Now let me change 0.5 to fraction, and that is half. 1 over 2. Now let me use this symbol for division. 4 over 1 now, right? Equal to 1 over 2 power N. 2 power N. Alright, I continue. 1 over 2. My division can be changed to multiplication times 1 go up, 4 will come down, equal to 1 over 2 power N. Now this can also be, let me change it to this one to indices, 4 to indices. So that should be 1 over 2 times 1 over 4 is 2 power 2, right? Equal to 1 over 2 power N. Now at this point I'm going to write the index form of these fractions. So index form of 1 over 2 is 2 power minus 1, because power minus 1 means 1 over. 1 over means what? Power minus 1. So times 1 over means power minus. So that should be 2 power minus 1, 2, equal to 1 over means power minus. So it should be 2 power minus 1, N. Now what will I do? This is, let me collect 1, 2. Add up the powers. Minus 1 plus minus 2 equal to 2 power 2 power minus N. Let me continue to add 2 power minus 1 plus times minus is minus 2 equal to 2 power minus N. I continue. That's 2 power. Add up, subtract this. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 1 minus 2 rather is minus 3 equal to 2 power minus N. I cancel out, right? Minus 3 equal to minus N. Let me cancel minus so that my small n equal to 3. So the number of half-life is got to be 3. Now I will quickly use this formula. Number of half-life is given as total time taken for the thing to decay over half-life. I'm looking for this. I've gotten this. This was given to me. Let me make one. The sort of formula. over 1. 1 times t is small t equal to n times t half. That will give me, my n is what? I go to the 3. Half-life is what? Is 10. Let me multiply that over what? 30. So 30 what? Days. And that is option C. Please, if you want to get detail of this question, try to follow this channel, because I will still give a full video that will discuss this question and this topic, half-life. I love you.